Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Good morning to everyone. In the last video, we discussed about the activity 8. In activity 8, we discussed about one interviewer asked the Dr. Sagan about the UFOs, and Dr. Sagan say about UFOs, and already we discussed, and I hope you understand very well. Today we start the activity 9. What they said, in this unit you have explored many ideas. In activity 3 you gave your own point of view about the extraterrestrial's life and listen to the point of view of your classmate. Means in activity 3 we discuss about, means in activity 3 you give on own point of view about the extraterrestrial life, and also you listen a point of view for your classmate. So this is the not listen because of we already start the online classes, so in online we can't discuss on it. Inshallah, in offline classes we again discuss in activity 3, and I take of your point of view on the extraterrestrials life. In activity 5 and 6 you summarize UFOs in India's planets and planets, and you look carefully at the information that the different sources UFOs in India, planets or planet provide about the sighting in India. So in activity 5 and 6 we also discuss about. Finally in activity 8, in activity 8 write this one here. Whatever already we discussed. What is said? In activity 8 you read an interview with the Carl Sagan, who is a respected scientist, about the kind of evidence that would be needed to show that extraterrestrial life exists. Remember that evidence is the information that conveys yes something is true. So what is the evidence? Evidence is fact that show clearly that something exists or is true. यानी कि कोई भी चीज को आप सही करने के लिए जो बात बताते हो, कुछ दिखाते हो, उसको बोलते हैं एविडेंस. तो मीन्स एविडेंस इज व्हाट इज द, अगेन आई रिपीट, व्हाट इज द एविडेंस? एविडेंस इज फैक्ट दैट शो क्लियरली, मीन्स जो एकदम परफेक्ट है, दैट समथिंग एग्जिस्ट या इज अ ट्रू, यानी कि वही है, वो सच ही है. सच बताने के लिए हम जो रजुआत करते हैं, जो चीज बताते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं हम एविडेंस. Evidence is information that we can use to help explain why we think and what we think. What is the evidence of given information? Again I repeat, evidence is information that we can use to help explain why we think and what we think. हम क्यों सोचते हैं और क्या सोचते हैं, वो हेल्प करने में हमें एविडेंस इंफॉर्मेशन देता है. कि व्हेन वी गिव आवर ओपिनियन और आइडिया, पीपल ऑफन आस्क व्हाई वी बिलीव व्हाट वी डू. द वन वे दैट वी आंसर व्हाई मींस इज विद द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड फैक्ट फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट सोर्सेस. Now what is to use everything you have learned and thought about the answer the following question. आपको यहाँ जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो आपको सोचना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, व्हाट डू यू थिंक द इंडियन आर्मी ट्रूली सो, और डोंट वरी आई सेंड द PDF फाइल ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन आंसर. First of all, you by oneself you learn, and after you are copy in your notebook. Okay. Number 2, which information did you learn from the sources the UFOs in India, planets or planet can you use as evidence that your idea is true? Use the paragraph to help you write about your idea as many sources and as much information as you need for your evidence. I think that UFOs seen by the Indian Army can be identified. बराबर. तो आपको यहाँ अपने थिंक लिखना है. ओके, सो डोंट वरी, आई ऑल्सो help you, means I also the PDF files, and after you are right. Okay, don't worry. So whatever you are right, don't worry, I send the PDF file, you learn, and by yourself you are write down. Next, activity 10. Okay, the universe is such a huge place that many people think there must be other life somewhere in just because it is a huge. So here talk about the universe, यानी कि यहाँ पूरी दुनिया की बात की गई. क्या बात की गई है कि the universe is so huge that it must be measured in the light years, and light is the fastest thing we know. It travel at 299.79245 meters per second. देखो लाइट यानी कि सूरज की जो बात की है, यानी कि वो हमारे पास आने में कितना टाइम लगता है, वो आपको बात यहाँ बताई गई है. पर सेकंड की बात की गई है, राइट, मिनट की नहीं बट पर सेकंड. कि आवर सन इज 8.33 लाइट मिनट अवे, मीनिंग इट takes the light from the sun 8.33 minutes to reach us. कितना टाइम लगता है हमारे पास आने में सन की लाइट के 8.33 minutes to reach us. Imagine how far away a light year must be. यानी कि 8.33 मिनट लगती है हमारे पास आने में, तो पूरे साल में कितना टाइम लगता है वो आपको इमेजिन करना है और लिखना है. The most distant part of the universe that scientists have evidence of comes from light that has taken 14 billion years to reach us. It is 14 billion light years away, and there may be more universe further than away. यहाँ यानी कि यहाँ साइंटिस्ट ने बताया गया है कि कितना हमें टाइम लगता है हमारे पास आने में. ओके, तो आपको ये पैराग्राफ सिर्फ समझना है और अपने हिसाब से इमेजिन करना है. ऑलरेडी आपको यहाँ एक दिया गया है कितना टाइम हमारे पास, यानी कि 4.240 लाइट ईयर्स अवे फ्रॉम द अर्थ, यानी कि पूरे साल में 4.243 ईयर्स लगता है. यानी कि यहाँ लिखा है ना, हाउ फार अवे लाइट ईयर में मस्ट बी कितनी मिनट, 4,243. Okay? As Carl Sagan said, somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known. Imagine what incredible being might live 14 billion light years away from us. They would be so far away that would take 14 billion years for the light from their sun to reach the earth. So you understand that lots of distance between the earth and the sun. इसी हिसाब से आपको पता चलेगा कि पृथ्वी और सन में कितना डिस्टेंस है, हमारे और हमारे सन के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है, वो इसी हिसाब से आपको पता चल जाएगा. And I hope you also learn in a science. What might this being look like? What abilities would they have? Are they intelligent? Do they have language? Do they have home or shelters? What would they like? What would they eat? Do they eat? Do they have emotion? So thus we write down about just think. ये think करना है, वो ज़्यादा हमें सोचना नहीं है, यानी कि ये कुछ एग्जाम में इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, वैसे कोई क्वेश्चन आने वाला नहीं है. बराबर. ओके, तो डोंट वरी, I send also the question answer of this activity 10, so you also copy in your notebook. This question, whatever I send in a PDF file, this question also very important for your annual exam, means second sem exam. Use the question to get started thinking about being what life 14 billion light year from the earth. Work with a partner, group or alone, describe your being. So this activity we are not completed a partner group, but alone do describe your being. आपको खुद समझना है और इसको डिस्क्राइब करना है, और आपको जो यहाँ जगह दिया गया यानी कि जो प्लेस है आपको यहाँ लिखना है. ओके, तो अलोन यार आपको खुद को सोचना है, थिंक करना है और आपको लिखना है. सो आई होप whatever you are completed the activity in 9 and 10, don't worry, activity 9 and 10 I send by PDF files. You open your PDF file and write the same in your notebook, and whatever you are writing 9 and 10, so this 9 and 10 activity is very important for your annual exam. So you learn carefully, and I hope you understand very well. So next video we learn in a next topic we learn in a next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.